Alright everyone, today I want to show you guys how I make charcoal. So right here I have a metal trash can. I don't remember the exact size, but it fits inside a 55-gallon drum. Maybe this is 35 gallons, I don't remember. But in the very bottom of it, underneath, I have about a dozen quarter-inch size holes that I drilled in the bottom of it. And what I do is I fill it up with, this is hardwood firewood, so there's like oak and locust, maybe some cherry, and I stuff it in as good as you can. Play Tetris with it. I cut some smaller pieces on top here to fit, but you want to make sure you can get your lid on, and I can, and the lid's snug. And what I'm going to do is put it in this 55-gallon drum right here that I got sitting on 3 bricks, and it will burn the grass underneath, but it grows back. But it's spring, it's wet, we just had rain, there's still dew on the grass at the moment, plus I got the garden hose. The grass ain't gonna catch on fire, but it will burn up. And then I take this is old skid. This is an old pallet that I cut up. There's hickory cut off from the last handle that I made. Anyways, stuff this in around it and a little bit on top and start your fire. And keep the fire going. I got more over here. If I need more wood, I'll go get it. I got more wood, I'll go get it. Sorry. Keep it going. Keep the fire going, and then you're going to start to see some white smoke. I'll bring you back later to show you this. That white smoke is actually steam. The water that's left over in this wood and the what's it called? The volatile compounds in the wood, that burns off. It'll actually burn out the bottom. Gases will come out the bottom and burn, because the gas is going to take the path of least resistance, which is going to be those holes that are drilled in the bottom, and that'll burn. Smoke will come out, and steam, and when that steam's done and you're just getting regular smoke from the fire, you're good. But then just let it sit till tomorrow. But I'll show you, I'll bring it back. But this is how I make charcoal, guys. Then you can use it for all kinds of stuff. I use it for cooking food with, actually, in the Weber kettle. But you can make biochar with it. You can do all kinds of stuff with it. I'll bring it back here in a couple minutes. Okay, I got the trash can inside this 55-gallon drum. It's down about a foot from the top. Put 2 bricks on the lid, because when you start a fire in there, it will build pressure. But remember, it's about a dozen holes drilled on the bottom of the trash can, and those gases will escape and they will burn off. And now that's why you want to use a skid. You want to use skinny, wood that's thin that you can get in around here. Plus, I'll start a fire. I'll start it on the top, and we'll keep an eye on it for a while. All right, she's lit. We'll just we'll watch it. It'll take a couple hours, I think. Last time I don't know, 3 hours of burn time, and then you just let it sit till the next day. But you can see I got the barrel oh yeah, there's also some holes cut in the bottom of the barrel for airflow, but the barrel's on bricks, so we'll just keep an eye on it. All right, it's an hour and 45 minutes later. Not sure if you can see, but we're getting a bunch of glowing down in these holes. I've been feeding this the entire time. Anyways, I'm done. It's done, but I'm just going to let it burn out and then wait for tomorrow morning. And right now it's like 2:15 in the afternoon. I'll just wait until tomorrow morning and then come out and pull out the bucket, and everything will be nice and cooled down, and we'll have charcoal. And I'll show you. Up here. Alright guys, it's finally done raining. Check out this charcoal. Look at that. Look at that. It's all just awesome. Perfect for cooking with. Look at that. Look. Breaks up. It's awesome. I cooked that for about 2 hours or so, and then just stop feeding it and just let it go. Nice lump charcoal. There's probably, I don't know, if you buy the bags, that's probably $50 worth of charcoal in there that I made just with some little bit of time and burning unwanted wood. Thanks for watching.